Friends, this is the background I created. Okay, I will give this background link in the description. Okay, you can download there, and you have to open this background directly, and you have to go to add photo and select your model image. First step, scroll up and select this cutout tool. Now select the brush option, increase the hardness and draw inside model. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. It is how it looks like after erasing background. Simply zoom out and you have to arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Okay, arrange it perfectly here. Perfect. Now okay, you can arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark and you have to save this image. Okay. Now tap on this arrow, reverse arrow, tap on save draft. Now tap on this into. Now select the backgrounds. Now select the third one, white background. Now tap on tools, tap on crop. Now select the 16:9 ratio. Now tap on tick mark. Okay, now go to add photo and select the PNG, splash PNG. Zoom out, simply stretch it like this and arrange it perfectly in the center. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the image which we edited before. This is the image we edited before. Simply stretch out. Now scroll up, select the blend option and tap on screen option and zoom out, and you have to arrange it perfectly like this. Okay, arrange it perfectly like this. Now tap on screen. Now again go to add photo and select the image which we cut out before. Okay, friends, this is the image we cut before. Now simply decrease the opacity and make sure you have to match the background image. Okay,
You have to bring it like this. Make sure it is perfectly matching the background image.
now it is perfectly matching. Increase the opacity. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness, erase on the bottom portion like this. I hope you understand this concept. You have to erase it perfectly. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on tick. And the next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust, increase the saturation little bit as well as little highlights. Now tap on tick. And the next step, you have to go to text option, tap on text and you have to write Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Now tap on done. Now tap on tick. Now select this Banya font, available in PicsArt only. You have to arrange it below it. You can add whatever font you want. This is perfect for this tutorial. Simply zoom out a little bit. Perfect. Now tap on tick, and if you want you can save this image here, or you can give the Loma effect in the symbol option effects. Okay, now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.